Hello everyone. Today I decided to change my hazard light on W124 E320. As you can see, this one is not working, so I decided to change it. And first, I removed this. In order to do that, you'll have to remove the two screws here, and after that, you'll have to remove this piece. And there are about 6 screws, 2 on this side and 2 on this side, as well as 2 on the top. So after you remove this, you'll just have to remove like one of the buttons you want to change. In this case, it's going to be this one, so you'll just slowly try to remove it, and I think I'll need my second hand for this. So I just removed it. As you can see, this one is not working, and I got the Feb replacement part. Was like $10, pretty cheap. It's brand new, works perfectly fine. So we'll just kind of put this in here, make sure everything is tight, and after that you'll just have to put this back on and basically screw it on. I almost put everything back on. So those are the 6 screws I was talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after that you'll have to put this back on, and then as you guys can see, there are 2 hooks, one here and one here. So just put them first. Let me see, as such, and then just push here. A little bit hard. Okay, that should be it. And then the last step would be just to put the screws here and here. And then yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.